Seems like Ugo Scorteni, she's now regretting for celebrating Coco Mawini's arrest. Since in the morning, Ugo Scorteni, she's been trying so hard to clear her name and also explain herself to say, I will never celebrate my friend's downfall. I'm not that kind of a friend. Anyway, guys, let's get to today. The rest of the house is someone welcome to Children Entertainment. Thanks so much for joining me. So don't forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Friday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. So, guys, since the morning, Ugo Scorteni, she has been posting messages explaining herself. This is the first message. This is what she has to say. Now I can't go live for smiling or post something simply because the people will say I am happy because my friend got arrested. Haibo, guys. My life will continue kahle. I will not cry. Akushonanga. Even the timing gishonele, you guys did not see me posting long sad story. So please leave me out of this. I'm not rejoicing, but I'm posting what I want. And don't associate it with your assumption. Again, also let's leave Precious out of this. No one planned anything, neither did I. We are not the law. We will never be. Again, she went on. What is happening to her can happen to anyone. We all go through phases. They might be different, but they are all bring pains. Or they might be different, but they all bring pain. I was taught not to rejoice somebody's pain. I was also taught to forgive, but don't forget, be vigilant and be 3 times ahead. I'm not the law. I will never be. I don't order anyone around. Guys, please stop mentioning me on Precious on disturbing, or to stop mentioning me or Precious on disturbing post. Love and lie to him. So this is the message Coco Scorteni. There's a lot of messages Coco Scorteni has been posting since in the morning, explaining herself to say that, guys, don't involve me on this situation. I've never celebrated Coco Mawini's downfall. So people are saying, hi, Coco Scorteni, is because Monday is around the corner. Coco Mawini she might get a bail and she's gonna come back. You know one thing about Coco Mawini, guys. So anyway, guys, what do you think? Do you think Coco Scorteni, she's now regretting for celebrating Coco Mawini's, Coco Mawini's downfall, Coco Mawini's arrest? What do you think? Tell me in the comment section. Let's engage it. Do not forget to subscribe it, so like it, comment. Happy Friday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.